In this video, we're going to look at the login process for Oracle. You can log into Oracle using any browser, including Internet Explorer, and your company will give you a link that you will be able to click on to go to the navigation login page. So if I click on this link, Oracle CRP3, let's log out. So assuming you're not already logged in, which I was, you will see this login page and you can put in your user ID and password and click login, and that is the login process. Now this will take you to the Oracle applications home page, as you can see in this little section here. And on the login page you will see a navigation menu, a main menu, from which you will be able to access several functions. So depending on the area that you're working, you will have one or two or a few, not these many that you see here. Let's say if you're on the order management side or a purchasing side, you will have something like this, NGP US Order Management User. So in order to access the different functions in Oracle, you have to start by clicking to expand the role that is available to you, and you're going to see two different types of functions. So the one that looks like a little Excel sheet is a Java application, and the one that looks like a little bit of a page is just a web page. So there are two types of applications that Oracle supports. So for most people that use order management or shipping, inventory or manufacturing, the majority of the functions will be one of those. So we will need to launch what's called the core applications or Java applications of Oracle, and that will be controlled with a different window, not this web page, Internet Explorer web page that you are seeing here. So in order to access that, all you need to do is to expand this menu option, and then until you find an option that looks like that's available to you, and click that link. Now when I click on this link, it will launch another window, so I will have to do a separate session on that, but you will need to ensure that the pop-up blocker is turned off on Internet Explorer or the browser that you're using, otherwise it may not launch. Also, the first time you launch this, it may take a little bit of time to open it, so you want to make sure that you allow for a little bit of time for it to open the first time. So I'm just going to start off by using the order organizer option, which is a core Java application option, because it's got an icon that looks like a little Excel table. So I click that, and that will launch the Java application. So this is what I was referring to as the Java application or the Oracle Core Apps. So it automatically opened the option or the function that I clicked, which was the order organizer. Now, if you do not want to use the order organizer right away, you can close it by using these X boxes, and it will take you to the Oracle main navigation panel, from which you can access different applications, that different functions that you need to use in your daily job. So that's a quick look at the login process. From the main navigation window, you can go through the different menu options by double clicking the plus signs, which indicate there are functions below that, and there could be multiple levels, and you can navigate down or drill down to the level that you need to go and find the function that you need to use. For instance, in order management, the order organizer is one of the most commonly used functions. Once you get to this login page, you can also add items to your top 10 list, which is the most commonly used function that you will need. So I have already added 9 entries to my top 10 list, which leaves me one more entry that I can add. So let's say I want to pick the sales orders function and add it. it will automatically add at the next position, and that can be opened either by option 0, the number associated with that row, or you can also double click to open that function. If you do not want something in your top 10 anymore, you can just click on that option and use this arrow key, and it will take it off of the top 10 list. In order to get out or log out of Oracle, you can use this X window and click OK when asked for it, and then this will take you back to the main Oracle navigation, Oracle applications homepage, and you can X out of there, or also you can log out, depending on your preference. So that was a quick look at logging on to Oracle and accessing some of the commonly used functions that you need to use.